Yes, it's that time of year. Important tax information is going out to taxpayers right now. And here to help us sort it all out is Wayne Noll. He's a tax preparer. We've done it for more than 20 years. I'm sure you've seen all sorts of changes. So what in 2012, now we're in 2012, we're preparing the 2011 taxes. What do we really need to be aware of?
Well, actually for 2011, due to the extensions of some of the tax credits and deductions that were put in effect the last couple of years, there aren't a lot of changes. Thank goodness that they have kept some of these credits and deductions, like the earned income tax credit for up to 3 children now. That's a fantastic credit. The education credit for college students, full-time college students, can now claim the American Opportunities Credit for up to 4 years. So most of our clients are seeing similar refunds to what they got last year, and sometimes a little higher.
Okay, and as we prepare our paperwork for our tax preparer, if we do it ourselves, in fact, what do we not want to miss? What do we want to make sure that we gather, especially if we contribute to charities, for instance?
Well, correct. Obviously, all of the standard tax forms that you get in the mail from your employer and so forth, W-2s, 1099s. But if you itemize deductions, you have charitable contributions, you have medical expense, you need to have all of those records as well. Perhaps employee business expenses if you're an employee who has unreimbursed expenses. Your real estate taxes doesn't look like a tax form, but you need that for part of your itemized deductions. Okay,
what about folks who maybe unfortunately went through a divorce last year, or maybe they got married? You know, a life change like that can really impact your tax bracket.
Well, interestingly, it's strictly your your marital status on December 31st that determines how you file. So it doesn't matter if you got married or divorced in January or December, it's December 31st.
Okay.
And the thing that often happens when a single person who maybe has children, has been filing head of household, gets married, they need to understand that that's no longer available. They would be either married filing joint or married filing separate. So the filing status is the biggest issue with marriage or divorce.
Just a few seconds left, but I got to ask you, is it too late to contribute to your IRA?
No, good point. As a matter of fact, I sometimes counsel my clients to look at contributing to the IRA. You can do that up to April 15th.
Okay, very good.
And you can file your tax return claiming that deduction, use your refund then to fund the IRA, as long as you do it before April 15th.
All right, very good. We appreciate all the advice. Of course, it's more than we can get to.
Thanks for having me on.
But thanks for getting us going on it. All right, Wayne.